Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. I want to show you guys some of my pickups that I got. These are for the FD2 front bumper. It does come with another larger piece for the middle, but I went ahead and got these side pieces out of the way. Did get the FD2 JDM emblem. Did get my Mugen RR wing in. As you can see, middle piece is carbon. Definitely really good quality. I'm surprised. I did order this off of eBay, so it does come with all the pieces that you see here, the brackets, the screws. Just show you guys my side skirts. I have not put them on yet because I'm waiting on my front end to get in. So it just shipped out. I believe it just shipped out yesterday. So that includes the fenders, the hood, the bumper, the headlights, the headlight brackets, the front lip, the grille, and I think that's it. I did end up going Mugen front lip, but I do have a buddy that is selling his J's Racing lip to me. Apparently he had some fitment issues, so I want to see if that'll fit the front end that I'm getting. Now I'm gonna attempt to do this wing. Not sure how it's gonna go, but wish me luck, and yeah, let's get started. Quick update, guys. So I did find the other screws. There's one back in here and another one in there. So
once again, boy, if you don't
took around 20 minutes to try and pop this out. When you're doing this, make sure that you unhook this sensor for the third brake light, because when I was trying to pull up on it, it wouldn't come out. These clips here, all you really have to do is pretty much just get some pliers and it should just pop right out like that instead of breaking pretty much 3 of what I broke. So
once again,
I went ahead and just mocked up both sides. I did use one of these smaller screws to kind of hold it in place. Right now, just a test fit looks pretty good. I mean, and the paint is actually pretty spot on, believe it or not. Pretty good for eBay. I'm gonna go ahead and keep test fitting and try to get these holes banged out. Installed this backing piece, which is pretty much giving you holes for where you're going to be screwing in. I do need to make additional 2 holes at the top because I will be using the stock hole.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, here's the final product. Took me way longer than expected. Did a lot of drilling. I still need to get plugs for these, so I'll probably go to the hardware store tomorrow. But I mean, as far as fitment is concerned, it's pretty decent, and I mean, it's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere, so definitely a step up from the other wing. And I'm gonna be switching out trunks anyways. I just wanted to see how it looks, so really didn't matter, you know, if I messed up on this trunk or whatever. I'll still have the JDM trunk with the holes already drilled in it. So thanks for joining me. Hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.